Point out, you dumb fuck. Okay. I can't believe this thing.
Okay, hello, it's Chef Denegade again, and Nick is watching us from the camera.
Hello. Get a pot. We're gonna make a poached egg now, right?
Yeah.
Usually what we do, right? We add a little bit of vinegar into the water.
Okay, why?
The egg white coagulates a lot faster because of the acid in the vinegar.
We don't have any vinegar.
So we're gonna put some detergent in there too.
Kiss my ass.
Do you have lemon? Do you know lemon works as well?
No, I don't have
Because
any lemon.
Put some cum in there.
No, I used it up today.
Okay, put it on the stove. Put it on the stove. A nice way to test whether the water is hot enough is you put your penis in there. If your penis turns brown, then I'm quite sure it's hot enough, you know?
What if you're a black guy?
It's gonna turn white. Dude, I think we're gonna get fucking.
Doesn't matter, I don't give a shit, they can't see our faces.
So, see how the water, there's a lot of tiny bubbles in there?
Yeah.
You want to switch the flame to the lowest. Swirl the water fast, you know.
Fast.
You see how the water is rotating, right?
Yeah.
So you should actually put it now. Okay, now. Now you fucking screw it up, man. You see how the egg white and the egg yolk is like fucking separated?
Oh, no, it's combining together. No.
Okay, what you can do, you can still save it, right?
How?
Take the spoon and push the egg white to the yolk. Yeah. Okay, stop. I think you're making it worse. Okay, stop. Now that's the fucking worst poached egg I've ever seen, man. Dude, that's the kind of poached egg you get in a Chinese restaurant, man.
What the fuck do I do?
You do nothing, man. Try taking it out with a spoon. It's really soft, man. You gotta be really delicate with it, you know. Take it out, man.
The fuck? Only the yolk came out.
Okay, the reason why you fuck it up, right?
Yeah.
You know, you drop the egg at too high. You know what I mean?
Oh. Wow.
It's good, yeah.
Yeah. It's very simple, but it's very relaxing.
So boil the fucking water, man.
Yeah,
it's taking so long.
I'm boiling the water.
While it's boiling, let's try to swirl the water and put the cup in. So hold the cup with your. No, don't crack it. Ah, fuck. Get another cup. I'm gonna teach you how to put the egg in, you know. Swirl the water.
So much half like this, yeah?
Exactly. That's how you do it. You need to slide the egg right in the middle, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Do it now, man. Do it now. Do it, man. Do it. Okay. Point out, you dumb fuck. Okay. You see how it's coagulating now?
Yeah, slightly better than before.
Yeah, slightly better, but you still fuck it up. Doesn't matter. We're gonna cook it until you perfect this dish, alright?
So
how many more eggs do you have?
This is the number of eggs I have. I'm not eating this bullshit.
You still got 12 more tries, so don't worry about it. So actually, you know, now's the perfect time to fucking masturbate.
Huh? Why?
Because the time that you need to come is exactly the time it takes for the egg to get ready.
What if I get confused and ejaculate inside the pot? And coagulate?
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna make a perfect poached egg, you know?
Yeah, maybe I should so those people who are very poor and can't afford eggs, practice with your sperm first. Jerk off into it.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, man.
Oh.
Dude. Yeah, you're gonna fuck it up.
That looks pretty good.
Okay. Nah, it still look like shit, man. Yeah, just eat it.
It's more solid than before. Before it was like
exactly.
soup. This is not really soupy anymore.
So pour away the water, we're gonna make it again.
But there's a problem though.
What?
I'm fucking full, man. I just had a big chunk of steak and 2 pieces of eggs at fucking 2 a.m.
So That's the end of our video.
Yes, what I'll do, because Chef Ningnage is busy right now and I'm fucking full, maybe next morning I'll try it again myself. This is the first time I'm actually doing this by myself without the help of Chef Ningnage. I showed that dick that I can do this by myself, you know? Because that dick thinks I always need his help, but no. He can kiss my ass. Now. The fuck? Oh man. This is the second try. Oh fuck. I dropped it like a bungee jump. I can't even see it. Okay. The fuck? Since I kept failing like a dumbass, I decided to get a vinegar. Add a spoon of vinegar. Wow. Add a bit of soy sauce. That's good. So everyone, that's it. Just add a bit of vinegar. It's gonna make it much easier.